Okay, so this came a while ago, didn't it? This is my little. Don't think you guessed this one actually. You want to guess the price on this one? And then round the other side. This is a very early one. I've got about 3 of these. Don't know where the other 2 are, but I've got about 3. My other one of these said handy number 1 here. This is made by Parkinson's. This is a tiny little. You can see the hand size. It's only what, about 10 inches long. It's made by Parkinson's, and it's a handy number 1. That's all we need to know really about that. It's got a bent Tommy bar, a nice bent Tommy bar there. So get this apart in the normal way. Now the guiding here is not like on a record. There is no pin. It just stays in there. It's cast in and it stays in. So you just unwind it till it comes out basically. Don't let it fall on the floor. There you go. So, yeah, that one you can see there, as opposed to the record that comes out, that one's fixed. Yeah, it's a hell of a bit of casting really, I need to get that in there. Cast it in, but so that's what they did. These ones are now full of a lot of junk lately. Right, that's that bit done. That hasn't got to come out, so this vise won't be going into too many pieces. We got we just have a little flick down here with the screwdriver. Just see what we can see. Now, is that the rounded head? That is the rounded head. And then this side then must be turned over. So we need to unturn the turned over split pin. See that? And get under there. Getting all that junk. Go back to my little vicious ones. I like these little vicious Elliot Lucases. Look at that. Lovely. Don't tap it through. If you tap it through, you won't be able to turn it. Look at that. It only just turns. You see that? Look at that. That goes in there nice. That's got a point on that. But has it got the power to pull that out? It has. Look at that. Brilliant. There. Amazingly, look, that's the length. It's the length of that split pin. Let's get another box. Get a box to put all the bits in, so we don't lose nothing. Although this time it's only going to be. You remember the other day I took apart that record, so it should have a spring. Be a spring there, and then the split pin. And the split pin will go through the bar like that and hold against the washer, not the spring, because obviously the springy. Right, the grease in there. What we got? There we go. Right, well, that's got a lovely rusty slide. Look at that rusty slide. That would be good for maybe a before and after, wouldn't it? That's couldn't get much rustier than that, can it? Eh? Oh dear. Put that on there so we know where that is. That's all cleaned. Time to get the tape on it. So they get a nice coat of hard hat black underneath and in the inside of the dynamic jaw. I mean, this is right. Not sure that showed up how rough that was before. Whew. Unbelievable, really. It's wrong for it to be left that rough, I think. And get that so it's lined up to the hole. See the hole? The hole is at the top. And I find this is easier if you do it belly on. Spring. Get a bit on your finger. And down that slide. Right. It's got lovely, lovely closing jaws. I'll get another coat of gold in a minute. And we can call that done, can't we? So this is a very early Parkinson #1. That's what the registered number relates to on there. It went on to become called a Handy G1 model. But this is just a #1. Right, thanks for watching, and see you all again soon. Bye for now.